Welcome back, office executives. In this particular video I will be discussing on how to find the differences of time in hours. So let's first of all find out what will be the problem if we just simply subtract the out time minus the in time. So it is showing 9 a.m. So work hours, so am pm, so that's am pm. There are two time formats, that is in am pm and in 24-hour clock. So what I'll be doing is that we'll be wrapping the out time minus in time within a braces, and then we'll be multiplying it simply by 24. That's it. Okay, so it's still showing am. I multiplied it with, okay, here in the number section it is showing custom. From custom I'll be selecting general 9 hours, and let's double click in here. Fine. So 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. 10 uh, 11 12 13 14 15 16, sorry, 10 11 12 1 2 3 4 5 6, yes, it's 9 hours. And here these are in decimals, 8 hours and 83, so we can just reduce it. So yeah, 8.8. So here the format will be as such that if the working hour is below 8 hours, then maybe he will be under time, overtime, something like that. Over based on this calculation, based on the output of the work hours, we can find out what will be his salary. And so the main thing to find, we have to keep in mind that while finding out the differences of 2 hour, we need to keep the in time and the out time, that is the in time and the out time within one braces, and multiply it by 24. Okay, fine. So that's one thing to keep in mind. And here we can simply insert another one, control shift plus. So if you are using in the numeric plus, then control plus, but if you are using the plus which is before backspace, so you need to press control shift plus. Anyways, so here I will be writing here days, and I will be writing here month. Okay, so it's for Monday. And how to find out for, okay, so I need to anyways, so you need to format it so that this is for the week 1, week 2, the days, and you can make an attendance sheet out of this. Think out of it yourself. My main topic was how to find out the differences of hour between the out time and the in time, the differences of time in hours, how to find out. So that was the topic of this video. Thank you all guys, and